Hello and welcome to Unify Chrome Extension 101. In this complete beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to install and set up the Unify Chrome extension, and then how to use it while you're prospecting in LinkedIn or LinkedIn Sales Navigator to enrich and add prospects to sequences on the fly. Let's get into it. First, we're going to navigate to the Chrome Web Store and search for Unify. We want the Chrome extension where unifygtm.com is the URL. It's this one. Make sure you see the Unify logo, click on it, and then we'll click Add to Chrome in the upper right-hand corner. Click Add Extension here, and we can see that Unify has been added to Chrome. If you click this puzzle-looking icon in the upper right-hand side of your Chrome browser, you'll see all the extensions you've installed and that Unify is one of the options. Now, to use it, we're going to need to navigate to LinkedIn and pull up a person's profile or a company's profile. For the purposes of this example, I pulled up my colleague Peter on the growth team. Let's click the extension icon and open up the Unify extension. This is what we'll see, and we'll have to log in, so let's do that. Once we're logged in, this is what we'll see if a profile has already been identified, enriched, and added to your Unify instance. In fact, we see two records of Peter here, which makes sense because before joining Unify, Peter was a customer of Unify at JustWorks. So we actually see both his Unify email and his JustWorks email. So this is working as expected. Let's go ahead and click his Unify email because we can scroll down, and if we were prospecting him, we'd see this is where he is right now. So let's go ahead and click that. Now we're given the option to enrich and add him to a sequence. Since we already have his email, this option is limited to just enriching his phone number. But if we didn't have it, we would be able to enrich both his email and his phone number using our proprietary custom waterfall of enrichment providers. But here's the key functionality. It's adding Peter to a sequence on the fly. I'm going to select my mailbox here, and then let's add him to a sequence. Click the Add to Sequence button here, and that's it. If we scroll down, we can see things like company intent information, which is intent that they're exhibiting from going to your website, as well as basic information about the company and other people that work there. Finally, let's take a look at where Peter has been queued up in this sequence. Here's the manual email that got created from the Chrome extension. As you can see, we're utilizing variables to personalize the email, but also leaving blanks. And since it's manual, this is being queued up into the task dashboard so that reps can personalize the email before sending it. Last but not least, I want to show you where this task sits on the task dashboard. Go to the task dashboard and set the assignee to myself because I am sending the email from my mailbox. And then we want to set task type to manual email. And here we go. We see the email assigned to me here. And so if I was a rep, I would need to go into here, click this, and go ahead and fill out this email. And then when it's ready, queue to send. And that's it. So today we found the Chrome extension, installed it, used it to enrich and identify a prospect, and added them into a sequence into the Unify app. Hope this was helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.